Good morning, class 11th Commerce. Subject Economics. Chapter number 3, Utility Analysis. Lecture number 2. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed about what is total utility, what is marginal utility, their diagrams. Now, let's move further to the concept of increasing and decreasing utilities. And what is the law of diminishing marginal utility? Let's begin. Law of diminishing marginal utility. Do remember, in economics, we'll study various laws. With every law, you have to give the assumptions, diagrams, and table. Fine. What is, you need to explain the law, then you will write the assumption, then you will make a proper diagram and a proper table. But it's not necessary that you will exactly plot the numbers as given in your table. No, just you need to see that if in your table some items are in decreasing order, so in your diagram also you need to show decreasing order. Fine, but you need not to mark point to point in your diagram. Now see, law of diminishing marginal utility. What is this law? This law states that as more and more unit of a commodity is consumed, marginal utility goes on decreasing and becomes negative when TU starts declining. In the previous video, I told you that in the first stage, TU increases. After that, TU reaches its maximum and then TU starts declining. But MU starts declining in the initial stage, it becomes 0 and then negative. Because देखो, आप consumption कर रहे हो, you are consuming different goods, so your satisfaction level goes on declining after the additional consumption of the units. The first sip of water gives you more satisfaction as compared to the second or third sip of water. So when you will consume first sip of water, you are getting certain level of satisfaction. But after this first sip of water, your level of satisfaction starts declining. Let me show you here with the help of a diagram. See, you will write here, what will you write? You will write utility. Fine. And here you will write utility, or you can write consumption. Here you will write fine, consumption. Here you will write consumption of units, and here you will write we are drawing the diagram of marginal utility. So here you will write marginal utility, MU. Fine. On x-axis, अगर आप marginal utility बना रहे हो तो you will write MU. Sorry, these are your y-axis and this is your x-axis. Sorry, I'm very sorry for this. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. So on x-axis, you will write units consumed. Okay, units of good X consumed. And on y-axis, you will write either marginal utility or total utility. It depends कि आप किसका डायग्राम बना रहे हो. अगर आप दोनों का डायग्राम एक में बना रहे हो तो you will write marginal utility oblique total utility. ठीक है? Now see, अब हम मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, तो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी गोज ऑन डिक्लाइनिंग एंड बिकम्स नेगेटिव. ज्यादा नेगेटिव में मत इसको ड्रॉ करना. सी, आप सिर्फ इसको बिल्कुल ऐसे थोड़ा सा नेगेटिव में जाना, बिकॉज देखो नेगेटिव में जाने का मतलब क्या है कि आपने चीजें खाई और आपने वॉमिट कर दी. ठीक है, सो आप इतनी ज्यादा तो नेगेटिव में कंजम्पशन करोगे नहीं. ठीक है, तो जस्ट आप यहाँ 0 और हल्का सा इसको नेगेटिव में दिखा देना. नाउ सी, marginal utility is declining. Marginal utility is declining. Here marginal utility is 0. So we can say that here mu is equals to 0. Okay. Here mu is 0. Mu is declining in the initial stages. See, here mu is declining. Fine. Here mu is 0. Here mu becomes negative. Here mu is negative. Okay. So this is what our law of diminishing marginal utility says. Law of diminishing marginal utility says that that more and more units of a commodity is consumed, marginal utility goes on decreasing. देखो, जब हम 1 यूनिट ऑफ कंजम्पशन ले रहे थे तो ये हमारी मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी थी. उसके बाद जब हमने सेकंड कंजम्पशन ऑफ यूनिट किया, दिस वाज आवर मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. जब हमने थर्ड यूनिट कंज्यूम किया, दिस वाज आवर मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. एंड in fourth consumption marginal utility has become 0. So पहले it was, suppose हम ले लेते हैं 10, then 8, then it is 6 and then 0. ठीक है, तो now it is decreasing. जैसे जैसे आप यहाँ x एक्सिस पे कंजम्पशन है, ये अपना x एक्सिस है, राइट. दिस इज y एक्सिस. तो हमने x एक्सिस पर कंजम्पशन दिखाई है, हमने यूनिट्स दिखाई है x एक्सिस पर. नाउ सी, इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द कंजम्पशन ऑफ द यूनिट्स, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी गोज ऑन declining. So this is what law of diminishing marginal utility explains, that as more and more unit of a commodity, is consumed, marginal utility goes on declining and becomes negative when TU starts declining. Now अब देखो assumption क्या होती है. assumption है अगर ये रूल लॉ फॉलो करना है तो ये लॉ फॉलो तब होगा जब ये दोनों assumption एग्जिस्ट करेंगी. अगर ये दोनों assumption एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर रही है तो हमारा लॉ फॉलो नहीं होगा. First assumption is standard unit of a good is consumed. Standard unit of a good means that we always take cup of tea, not a spoon of tea. So what is the standard unit of tea? Cup of tea. We are not consuming it by spoon of tea. अगर आप हमने satisfaction की बात की कि जैसे जैसे हम लोग कंजम्पशन बढ़ाते रहते हैं, satisfaction गिरती रहती है. अगर आप चम्मच से पानी पी रहे हो तो आपकी सेटिस्फैक्शन तो इंक्रीज होती रहेगी. तो हम क्या प्रेफर कर रहे हैं कि आप ग्लास से पानी पी रहे हो. ठीक है, तो अ स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ अ गुड इज कंज्यूम्ड. सेकेंड इज कंजम्पशन इज कॉन्टिन्यूअस. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने एक ग्लास अब पी लिया, एक ग्लास 4 घंटे बाद पी लिया और हमने कह दिया कि लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी तो फॉलो ही नहीं हुआ, हमारा सेटिस्फैक्शन अभी भी ज्यादा ही है. तो दिस इज नॉट द केस. आपकी कंजम्पशन कॉन्टिन्यूअस होगी तभी हमारा लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी फॉलो होगा. So law of diminishing marginal utility, this law states that more and more unit of a commodity is consumed, marginal utility goes on declining and becomes negative when TU starts declining. Assumption, standard unit of a good is consumed, consumption is continuous. Fine. So it is like that, consumption is continuous, not that one unit of a good is consumed now and another is consumed tomorrow. It is not like that. Fine. Okay. This law of marginal utility, also known as, write it down, it is also known as fundamental law of satisfaction और फंडामेंटल साइकोलॉजिकल लॉ. तो आप इसको क्या कह सकते हो? फंडामेंटल लॉ ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन भी कह सकते हो और फंडामेंटल साइकोलॉजिकल लॉ भी कह सकते हो और लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी भी कह सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स, कैन मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी एवर बी नेगेटिव? यस, marginal utility can be negative. Now let me show you a diagram. See here, देखो, now I am drawing the diagram of total utility. Okay, see, TU, TU यहां पे है हमारा कंजम्पशन. ठीक, ये कंजम्पशन है, x एक्सिस, y एक्सिस. ठीक है, देखो इधर. अब हमारा TU का डायग्राम कैसा था? रिमेंबर? यस, TU का डायग्राम, draw it in your notebook. TU का डायग्राम कल हमने भी did it yesterday. Remember anybody? Start drawing. See, it is this way. ये ऐसे नीचे आ जाएगा. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर ये हो गया मैक्सिमम. ठीक है ना. उसके बाद ये ऐसे डिक्लाइन हो गया. तो अब हमने क्या समझा कि स्टार्टिंग में तो TU was increasing when we consumed first unit, then we consumed second unit, then we consumed third unit, we consumed fourth unit, but at fifth unit consumption or sixth unit consumption it was a maximum. तो यहाँ पर TU is maximum. Point of staticity, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Point of staticity. Here TU starts declining. और हमने क्या पढ़ा था लॉ ऑफ डिमिनिशिंग मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी में? जहां पर TU डिक्लाइन होना शुरू हो जाए, मतलब इस एरिया में जहां पर TU स्टार्ट्स डिक्लाइनिंग हो जाए, वहां पर हमारा MU क्या हो जाता है? नेगेटिव. ये चीज दिस पोर्शन. ठीक है, ये नेगेटिव में जो आ रही है, तो हमारा केस क्या होगा कि जब ये नेगेटिव में आई है MU, ये नेगेटिव में कब आई है? जब हमारा TU जो है that started declining. TU started declining. जब TU डिक्लाइन होना शुरू हो जाता है, तब हमारी मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी नेगेटिव में आ जाती है. फाइन विद दिस? ओके, वन मोर थिंग. MU, this MU, your marginal utility, it is the rate of total utility. This marginal utility is the rate of total utility. That means किस रेट से TU इंक्रीज होगा, किस रेट से TU डिक्रीज होगा, वो रेट डिसाइड कौन करेगा? दैट रेट विल बी डिसाइडेड बाय MU, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी. इन द इनिशियल स्टेजेस marginal utility is declining. That means what is the rate of TU in the initial stages? Rate of TU is also declining because MU is the rate of TU. So can I say that here my TU is increasing? in the initial stages, my TU is increasing, but with the decreasing rate. But with the decreasing rate. ये जो decreasing MU है, this is the rate of TU. So I can say that in the initial stages, when MU is declining, TU is increasing, but with declining rate. When MU is 0, TU is maximum. After this, TU starts declining. Now TU is declining with the negative rate or with the declining rate. Are you clear with this concept? So, in the next lecture, we shall complete this consumer equilibrium with one commodity case. We have two commodity case of consumer equilibrium. We'll complete one commodity case tomorrow. So today we have discussed law of diminishing marginal utility. What is the assumption of this law? Can marginal utility ever be negative? Okay. Your homework is read the concept of consumer equilibrium in one commodity case and learn the definition of total utility and marginal utility. बच्चे देखो, जो हम concept कर रहे हैं वो अभी सुनने में आपको बहुत easy लग रहे होंगे, but जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे बहुत सारे डायग्राम आएंगे and you will be confused. You will be confused with their shape. You will be confused कि किसका increasing rate था, किसका decreasing rate था. So it is the best time for you that you keep on practicing the diagrams. You keep on practicing the what is the increasing rate, decreasing rate, and all these things. Fine. So make sure you are practicing the class topics which are taught in the video lectures. Thank you.